Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were sleeping, your online business made money. No long hours at a 9 to 5, no stressful commutes, just automated income rolling in. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this is becoming more and more possible with the power of artificial intelligence? AI isn't just a tool for big tech companies anymore. It's now helping everyday people start and scale online businesses with little to no experience. AI has changed the way we work, market, and sell products. From writing blog posts to running ad campaigns, automating customer service, and even creating digital products, AI can handle tasks that used to take hours or even days. But the big question is, can AI actually help you build a successful online business from scratch, or is it just another tech buzzword? Let's break it down step by step, exploring how AI can assist in launching, growing, and scaling an online business, and whether it's truly a game changer or just a temporary trend. Finding the right business idea with AI. One of the biggest challenges of starting an online business is figuring out what to sell. Should you start a blog, launch an e-commerce store, sell digital products? I can help take the guesswork out of this process. There are AI-powered tools that analyze trends, market demand, and competition. For example, tools like Chat, Google Trends, and Exploding Topics can generate profitable business ideas based on current market data. If you're considering selling digital products, AI can analyze niche markets and suggest content that people are already searching for. AI-powered keyword research tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can reveal untapped opportunities with high search volume but low competition. Want to start a print-on-demand store? AI image generators like Dolby and Midjourney can help you create unique designs without needing any artistic skills. By using AI, you can identify gaps in the market and validate business ideas before investing time and money into something that might not work. Building a website or online store with AI. Once you've got your business idea, the next step is setting up your online presence. Traditionally, building a website or online store required coding knowledge, hiring developers, or spending weeks designing everything yourself, but AI has simplified this process. Website builders like Wix ADI Artificial Design Intelligence, 1OWD, and Bookmark allow you to create a fully functional website in minutes by answering a few questions about your business. AI automatically selects the best design, layout, and content structure based on industry standards. If you're launching an e-commerce store, AI-powered platforms like Shopify Magic and Squarespace AI can generate product descriptions, suggest pricing strategies, and even optimize your store for conversions. For those who want to create an AI-powered chatbot to handle customer support, tools like Chat, ManyChat, or Tidio can provide automated responses and help customers 24/7, reducing the need for manual customer service. With AI, setting up a professional-looking online business no longer requires months of effort or a huge budget. It's faster, cheaper, and easier than ever before. Content creation with AI. Content is the backbone of online business success. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, social media posts, or video scripts, AI can create high-quality content at scale. For blog content, AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Chat can generate full-length articles based on specific keywords. They can help with SEO optimization, structuring blog posts, and even adjusting the tone to match your brand's voice. For social media marketing, AI-driven tools like Lumen 5, Canva AI, and PREDIS.ai can create eye-catching posts, carousels, and video content in minutes. AI can also analyze what type of content is performing well in your niche and suggest posting schedules for maximum engagement. Need to create videos? AI-powered video editors like Runway ML and Synthesia can generate entire video clips using AI avatars, animations, and voiceovers. No need for expensive production equipment or hiring actors. By leveraging AI, content marketing becomes more efficient and scalable, allowing businesses to stay active across multiple platforms without spending hours creating content manually. Final thoughts. AI has completely transformed the landscape of online business. What once took weeks of research, trial and error, and manual work can now be streamlined with AI-powered tools. From choosing the right business idea to setting up a website, creating content, automating marketing, and scaling, AI can handle a significant portion of the workload. However, AI is not a replacement for entrepreneurial mindset, creativity, and strategic thinking. Success in online business still requires effort, adaptation, and human decision-making. The key is using AI as a partner, not a crutch. Leverage its strengths: automation, data analysis, and content generation while maintaining control over the bigger picture. So, can AI help you build a successful online business from scratch? Absolutely. But at the end of the day, the real success comes from how you use it. AI is the tool, but you are the visionary. Now, the question is, how will you use AI to build your future?